Hello everyone, Nemesis Giant here. Got a kind of a short video for you here for 2009 because Nemesis seems to be on a high-speed orbit again. Starts out in May. Doesn't actually show its face in May, but we're going to have some major solar eruptions in May. Have to check this one out. See if we can catch it here. It's pretty amazing. Coming up here shortly. This sucker's one of the biggest ones yet. Look at that. What a major blast. Now that had to be seen in the sky. It just overwhelms the entire system. Now you can't tell me that didn't take a serious toll on the sun. Now that's when the object gets close. That's what it's doing to it. Now look, this giant CMA, here's our huge loop, and here comes our object. And we've got our loop following the object once again. So it's tracing this thing, it's not following our sun. Look at the eruption on the surface of this. There it goes again. Wow. Now if that's not causing coronal holes. Okay, and then it comes around again in September. And there she goes. And the sun erupts. And our little brown dwarf is going crazy. Okay. So that was May and September. But September we've got, oh no, I'm sorry, when was that? January and May. January and May. January, we've got the Indonesian earthquake, 2 of them. And then in May, got the Honduras earthquake. And as far as volcanoes, January, Mount Rideau in Alaska was put on alert. Then it went ahead and erupted in March. And in May we didn't really have anything. We had a huge earthquake swarm at Herat, Saudi Arabia. I believe January they also had no. Yeah, we had a earthquake swarm at Yellowstone. Okay, so that pretty much takes care of 2009. Thanks for checking in. We'll be doing 2010 next. Have a good day.